let's start with the chapter Internet. So, Internet, probably known as net, is one of the greatest scientific achievements. What it is one of the greatest scientific achievement of the modern man, right? It has brought the entire world to our fingertip. And Internet stands for International Network. When millions of networks are interconnected together to share information, it is called Internet. What are the uses? Let's study about some uses of Internet. We can buy and sell products on the internet. आप buy भी कर सकते हो, बेच भी सकते हो. We can book airline, railway and movie tickets. We can get a lot of information on any topic. We can chat with the people on the internet. We can pay bill through the internet, and we can send messages known as email to any part of the world. Right? Next is history of internet. The internet was initially known as APRINET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. It was implemented by DoD, Department of Defense, the USA. It connected different universities and defense organizations to share information. Right here, you can share information. Internet terms. Let's learn about some important terms related to internet, like web pages, which is collectively form the World Wide Web, known as web pages. It is created using a language called HTML, and these pages may contain text, images, videos, audios. Then we have ISP, which stands for Internet Service Provider. It is a company that provides internet access to the user. Right? Some of the popular ISPs are Jio, Airtel, Idea, Vodafone, Tata Docomo, BSNL. Right? What we call it BSNL. Then we have hyperlinks. The links that connects the one page to another is known as hyperlink. And hyperlinks allows us to move to some other web page which is related to information. Whenever the mouse pointer is moved over a hyperlink or the text, the pointer changes to the hand symbol. Then clicking on the hyperlink takes you to different things. www stands for World Wide Web. It is the collection of interconnected pages, right, that contain text, pictures, audios, videos. The various pages are connected using these links, and it can be accessed through the internet by the people all over the world, right? Next is web browser. The information on the website is accessed by using internet application, which is called web browser. A web browser is a software that lets us access the pages. It will access the pages of the World Wide Web. We have different web browser, that is Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera. Then website. The location where the information is available on the web is called website. It is the collection of one or more related web pages which is linked together. Then we have home page. Each page has a main page which contains links to other pages. When you visit any site, the first page that opens is called home page. What we call it, home page. Next is URL. That stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Every website or a web page, it has a unique address. The address of a website or a web page is known as URL. All the address starts with either HTTPs or now we have some of the URLs like http://www.discovery.com, indianrail.com, nationalgeographic.com and history.com. Never leave a space in between the words letters by typing the URL of the website, right? Next is internet. It is very useful tool. However, at times it can also be dangerous and harmful. Some of the important safety tips are as follow. These are some safety tips that are given to you. Accessing a web page using a browser. Now you are using a browser and you want to access the web page. Now how to start Internet Explorer? Click on the start button, all apps, click on window accessories and you will select Internet Explorer. And then Internet Explorer will be open. Let's study about the different parts. These are the different parts. This is the address bar. From here you can refresh. This is back button. This is forward button. Right? This is your home button, favorite button and tool button. Right? What are these? These are the different buttons. Then we have address bar. So the URL of the website is enter the address bar. After entering URL, press enter. Then we have back button, which takes up the web page which they are viewing before coming to the present. Forward button, which has opposite functions of the back button. It takes us forward to the next web page with the sequence of pages that we have already accessed. Refresh button, it is used to reload web page. It can be used when the page is not displayed properly. जब भी आपका पेज properly displayed नहीं होगा तब तक आप ये changes नहीं कर सकते. Now favorite button. Let's study about the favorite button, which is used to save URL that we like and visit later. If we want to make any URL favorite, you have to follow the steps. Like we have tool button, it allows us to use favorite like print history, right? Home button, which is used to display home page of the web browser that opens on its own when you open a search browser. Search engine, a web search engine is a website that helps us to search for information, right? Here you will search for the different information. Now, worldwide search engines also allow users to enter the keywords related to the information we require and search website containing particular information. What we call it? We call it your search engine. Now, example Google, www.google.com, altavista.com, and bing.com. To search any information on the net, you will follow the step. Open the browser and go to the search engine website. Enter the word, phrase, or sentence related to information that you want to search, and then you will click on the hyperlink. And the search engine will show you different result over there. Right now, we have done with this chapter. We have completed it. Hope you understood. We will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.